So, the information and the skills I've learned from this lesson are very valuable that I could really apply in my future teaching situation. So first, I would use differentiated instruction to address the different learning needs of students at different grade levels. Secondly, I would facilitate individualized learning experiences that allow students to work at their own pace and level. Thirdly, I would foster collaborative learning opportunities that enable students of different grade levels to learn from each other. And fourthly, I would employ effective classroom management strategies to keep students engaged and focused. Finally, I would remain flexible and adaptable in my approach to teaching, recognizing that teaching in a multi-grade classroom requires ongoing reflection and adjustment to ensure the best learning outcome of the students. So that is my learning and information, that skills I acquired from this lesson that I could apply during my future teaching. Okay, so let's proceed to the unit test. Okay, the first question, explain the concept of multi-grade teaching. Okay, so multi-grade teaching refers to a teaching situation where a teacher is responsible for teaching students of different ages and grade level in the same classroom. In a multi-grade classroom, students are grouped together and taught as single class despite their varying levels of academic readiness. Second, compare multi-grade teaching and monograde teaching. So, the main difference between multi-grade teaching and monograde teaching is that in monograde teaching, students are grouped according to their grade level and taught separately. This means that students in a monograde classroom are generally of the same age and are expected to have similar levels of academic readiness. In contrast, multi-grade teaching involves students of different ages and abilities in the same classroom, and the teacher must adopt the teaching methods to cater to the diverse learning needs of the students. Then, number 3, describe your personal views on multi-grade teaching. So, as for my personal views, multi-grade teaching has both advantages and disadvantages. On the one hand, it can provide opportunities for students to interact with peers of different ages, develop leadership skills, and learn from their peers. It can also help to reduce class size, as several grades can be combined into one class. On the other hand, it can be challenging for teachers to cater to the varying learning needs of students, especially if there is a wide range of ages and abilities in the class. Multi-grade teaching may also result in limited access to resources and materials, as teachers may not have enough resources to cater to the diverse learning needs of the students. Overall, multi-grade teaching requires careful planning, effective classroom management, and the use of appropriate teaching strategies to ensure that all students receive an equal opportunity for learning.